Listen up, folks. Let's talk investing, but not just any investing. We're talking about the long game. We're talking about building wealth that lasts. Forget those get rich quick schemes you see online. They're all hype and no substance. Real wealth is built slowly, steadily, and strategically. Think of it like planting a tree. You carefully choose the right spot, nurture it, and give it time to grow. You don't expect fruit overnight. The same goes for investing. You need patience, discipline, and a long-term vision. Short-term trading might seem exciting, but it's more like gambling than investing. You're betting on short-term fluctuations and hoping for the best. That's not a recipe for lasting wealth. It's a recipe for stress and potential losses. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a solid financial future. So, buckle up and let's dive into the world of long-term investing. The greatest investors of all time, from Warren Buffett to Charlie Munger, understand one crucial thing. Investing is about building something lasting. It's about creating a legacy that will benefit you and your family for generations to come. These titans of finance don't chase after every hot stock tip or jump on the latest investment fad. They focus on identifying solid, well-established companies with strong fundamentals and long-term growth potential. They invest for the long haul, weathering market storms and emerging even stronger. Building a lasting portfolio is like constructing a magnificent building. Each investment is a brick, carefully chosen and placed to create a strong and resilient structure. You wouldn't build a house on a foundation of sand, would you? So don't build your investment portfolio on shaky short-term bets. Think long-term, think strategically, and think about the legacy you want to leave behind. That's how true wealth is built. Wealth is. Now, when I say invest in valuable stocks, I mean it. We're not talking about penny stocks or meme coins here. We're talking about the heavy hitters, the companies that have proven their worth and continue to dominate their industries. Think Apple, the tech giant that revolutionized communication and entertainment. Think Microsoft, the software behemoth that powers businesses worldwide. Think Google, the king of search and digital advertising. And yes, think Bitcoin, the revolutionary cryptocurrency that's changing the financial landscape. These companies are leaders in their fields with proven track records of innovation, growth, and profitability. They're the kind of companies you want to own for the long haul, the companies that will form the bedrock of your investment portfolio. Don't get sidetracked by the latest investment fads or get rich quick schemes. Stick to the fundamentals, invest in quality companies, and watch your wealth grow steadily over time. Peter, here's a secret that many financial gurus don't tell you. Building significant volume is crucial for life-changing returns. You see, even the most incredible stock won't make you rich overnight if you only own a handful of shares. Now, I understand that not everyone has a fortune to invest, but that doesn't mean you can't aim for significant volume. Start small, be consistent, and gradually increase your holdings over time. Remember those companies we talked about earlier? Apple, Microsoft, Google, Bitcoin. Imagine owning hundreds, even thousands of shares in these giants. That's the kind of volume that can truly transform your financial future. It won't happen overnight. It takes time, dedication, and a willingness to play the long game. But trust me, the rewards are well worth the effort. Knowledge is power. Becoming your own financial expert. Listen, nobody cares more about your money than you do. That's why it's crucial to become your own financial expert. Don't blindly follow the herd or trust your hard-earned money to someone else's advice. Educate yourself about investing. Learn about different asset classes, investment strategies, and risk management techniques. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial news sources. There's a wealth of information available at your fingertips. Take advantage of it. Remember, knowledge is power. And in the world of investing, knowledge can be the difference between financial success and failure. Uh, Level up your investing game with stock smarts. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but where do I even begin? Well, my friends, I've got you covered. That's where Stock Smarts comes in. Stock Smarts is your one-stop shop for all things investing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we have the resources you need to take your investing game to the next level. Technical and fundamental analysis is important and go hand in hand for you to pick the right stock. We have online courses down below that tackle both technical and fundamental analysis to help you gain the conviction in investing. Our courses cover everything from basic investing principles to advanced trading strategies. Always remember that investing is an ongoing journey to get better, and knowing financial rations and analyzing trends are important. With one goal, to help you use the stock market to reach your goals of financial freedom. We got timely analysis to help you learn how to analyze stocks properly. Stay ahead of the curve so you can drown out the noise and just focus on the purity of investing. We believe that everyone deserves access to high quality financial education and resources. That's why we've made Stock Smarts accessible for everyone who dreams of financial freedom. Visit our website to learn more about how Stock Smarts can help you achieve your financial goals. Weathering the storm, staying calm during downturns. Listen, even the savviest investors know that market downturns are inevitable. It's like the weather. You can't control it, but you can prepare for it. When the market takes a dip, and it will, don't panic. Remember why you invested in the first place. Long-term growth. Those solid companies you carefully chose, they're still there, still innovating, and still poised for future success. In fact, downturns can be a great opportunity to buy more of your favorite stocks at a discount. Think of it like a sale at your favorite store. You wouldn't hesitate to stock up on a bargain, would you? Staying calm and sticking to your long-term plan is key to navigating market volatility. Remember, this isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And in the long run, quality investments always prevail. The long and winding road to riches. So there you have it, folks. The secret to wealth isn't a secret at all. It's about playing the long game, building a lasting portfolio of valuable assets, and staying the course even when the market throws a curveball. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way, but by following these principles, you will be well on your way to building a secure and prosperous financial future. Now go out there, make smart investments, and watch your wealth grow. And remember, I'm here to cheer you on every step of the way.